Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights to run elevated commands, so make sure you're signed into an administrator account or have credentials ready. First, press Start and type CMD or Command Prompt. Windows shows a match instantly. Once you see it, right-click the result and choose Run as Administrator. This elevates the shell. If prompted by User Account Control, enter the admin password or click Yes. Doing this now ensures the command prompt session runs with full system privileges for the next steps. Once the window opens, verify elevation by reading the title bar. It should say Administrator, Command Prompt. You can also run whoami/priv to inspect your token and confirm required privileges. Now execute the commands that need elevation, for example, sfc/scano to repair system files or chkdskc/f to fix disk errors. Make sure to include correct switches and target drives. If a command fails, read the error. It often tells you which permission or path is missing, so adjust accordingly. When your task's complete, close the elevated command prompt to limit risk. If something still needs administrator access, reopen it with Run as Administrator, rather than relying on a non-elevated shell. If user account control prevents the action, check that UAC settings and group policy allow elevation or sign in as a full administrator. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see access denied, rerun the command explicitly from an elevated prompt or use an elevated PowerShell session. This resolves most permission-related errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.